All right guys, so the next thing that we're going to be removing is going to be the chrome cup holder and also the silver shift knob trim right here. We got these black matte pieces from Aiden James. They're nicely built, made in the US. First thing we want to do is lift the armrest, and then you're able to pretty much pry this out. Okay, now we're removing this trim piece and also the cup holder piece. We're going to start off with the cup holder piece because that's the easier part. There's 2 tabs on the side. The easy part's out. Now for the shift knob trim piece, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. You're going to have to drill out some pieces. We're going to lay it on somewhere so that's not going to scratch the console. We're going to need to drill out these pieces, wedge a flathead in there, and pry it open. These plastic pieces, and you have to pretty much pry them off. It's definitely not easy, but keep working at it. Go ahead and mark the holes for the screws. Go ahead and lay down the other shift knob trim and also mark the holes. So this piece came with some adhesive, but we're gonna add some more adhesive here since the only bolts are gonna be on this side. And there's no bolts on this side, so it definitely should have a little bit more grip on that end so that the trim doesn't get loose. Now we're gonna add the additional 3M adhesive. Now once the holes are drilled, go ahead and put down the trim, and let's go ahead and screw this down. So we'll go ahead and turn this over. We'll add the washer and the nuts and go ahead and tighten it down. There you go. Got rid of these 2 ugly mismatched pieces and replaced them with these. Let's go ahead and install it back in the vehicle. All right, so now we're gonna change the shifter trim. This is just gonna be an overlay. That's easy, it just pops right on. So there you go. The cup holder trim and the shift knob trim, it's all blacked out. Now we're gonna change the shift knob and work on the radio part of the car.